Let me ask you something real quick. Did you know that right now, thousands of people in the US, UK, Canada, and even across Africa are making money online without spending a single dime? No scams, no expensive courses, no fake promises, just people using their skills, time, and the internet to earn real income. And here is the good news: if they can do it, you can too. Now, before we dive in, welcome to my channel. My name is Princel, and here I talk about real ways to make money online, build side hustles, and create passive income streams that actually work. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then you're in the right place. So here's the thing: when most people think about making money online, the first thing they run into is scam after scam and websites telling you make $500 a day just by clicking buttons, and also fake gurus asking you for hundreds or thousands before they share their so-called secrets, or even people telling you that you can't make money unless you already have a lot of money to invest. Honestly, that discourages so many people. And I've had friends in the US and UK say I've tried once, but it didn't work. I've also had friends here in Africa who told me I don't even know where to start. The truth is, it's not that making money online is impossible. It's that people don't know the legit starting points. So let's talk about the real ways to do it, because there are platforms that actually pay you for your time, your skills, and your effort, and there is no upfront cost required. So one of the best ways is freelancing. And if you can write, design, edit videos, do voiceovers, manage social media, or even do simple admin tasks, you can start freelancing today. And platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you create a free account and start offering services. So the key is not to be a jack of all trades. So I would advise, instead of saying I edit videos, you can say something specific like I edit short TikTok videos for small businesses, or I design YouTube thumbnails that get clicks. And by doing this, it makes you stand out. Then create two or three simple samples, even if no one has hired you yet. Apply for small jobs and keep your proposals short, polite, and focused. Now, your first job might only pay $20, but once you build reviews, that $20 turns into $50, then $100, and before you know it, freelancing could become a full-time income. And the best part is, whether you're in the US, UK, Canada, or Nigeria, you can get paid through PayPal, Pioneer, or direct bank transfer. So another great option is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. An Amazon associate is a good starting point. And you can also use platforms like CJ Affiliate and Impact to connect with brands. Here is the beauty of it: you don't need a website to start. You can use YouTube, TikTok, or even Facebook groups. So imagine making a simple video like best headphones under $50. Then you share your honest review and put your affiliate link in the description. By doing this, every sale earns you money, and this works worldwide. So if you're in Africa, you can easily withdraw with Payoneer. Now, maybe you're saying, Princel, I don't have editing skills or marketing skills. That's fine. Platforms like user testing pay you just for giving feedbacks on websites. You test an app for 15 minutes and get $10 or more. There is also Clickworker and UTest, where you do simple tasks. It's not a full-time job, but it's quick, legit money with no upfront costs. If you're a good listener and can type, transcription is another option. And websites like Rev or Transcribe Me pay you to turn audio into text. And if you're comfortable speaking in English, online tutoring is a hidden gem. And Cambly pays around $10 an hour just to chat with people learning English. No degree, no certificate, just your time. And I know people in Africa doing this and getting weekly payment straight to their PayPal. But let me tell you something. The method I love the most are digital products and print on demand. And I know you will ask me why. Well, it is because You do the work once and you can keep earning again and again. If you know how to make ebooks, Canva templates, or even simple digital planners, you can sell them on Gumroad, Seller, or Ko-fi. Every sale puts money in your account and you don't need inventory. You can also use Redbubble. You upload the design, they print it, ship it, handle the customer service, and you get paid every month. Zero investment, just your creativity. So here is something that will motivate you. A friend of mine in Canada started freelancing on Fiverr, making YouTube thumbnails. At first, he was charging only $5, but after 3 months of building reviews and improving his work, he raised his price to $25. Now he's making $1,500 to $2,000 a month from just thumbnails. On the other hand, someone I know in Africa started teaching English on Cambly. Within a few weeks, she was earning dollars every week just by chatting alone. These aren't theories, they are real stories. And these are ordinary people with no money to invest. They are just using their skills and consistency. So what does this mean for you? It means that making money online without investment is 100% possible. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need to risk being scammed. And you don't need to overthink it. All you need is to choose one of these legit methods. Start small and stay consistent. You can start with freelancing, affiliate marketing, user testing, transcription, online tutoring, digital product, print on demand, and all these are legit, all proven and are waiting for you to take action. Now, here's what I want you to do. If you've ever tried any of these methods, please comment below and tell me your experience. If you're new on my channel, please comment and tell me which one you're most excited to start. I read every single comment and your stories inspire not just me, but everyone watching. And if you've got value from this video, please hit the like button. It really helps push this video out to more people. And please subscribe if you haven't already, because we've got more videos coming that will show you exactly how to build side hustles, passive income streams, and long-time online success. And please share this video with a friend who needs to see that making money online without investment is possible. Together, step by step, we are going to build your online income.